Alright guys, doing a wee review from the inside of Brewdog Kelvingrove. Didn't get any other drafts to go. A can that I've been struggling to get. Brewdog Parma Violets, New England IPA, coming in at a 5.6 ABV. Let's pour some to the glass and see if it truly does smell and taste of Parma Violets. Love that sweet. Poured it into the glass. Very, very hazy. Could be some sediment in there. Oh. Truly smells like Parma Violets. Oh, that tastes like Parma Violets as well. Now that's a banging beer. Very, very fruity, sweety, perfumey, whatever you want to say the flavour of Parma Violets is. This is what this is, 100%. Oh, spectacular beer. 10 out of 10, would drink again. This is the Buffalo Burger. Hot sauce on it. Some baby kale. Let's get a wee taste. Oh, nice. Very nice. Not too hot either, but that heat will get a bit hotter as we go on.